You must love your neighbor. It's their right to be treated well, no matter how mean they are. You must give them what they deserve.
To Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the best person always wishes well for his friends, and the best neighbor is always good towards his neighbor.
You are not a believer until you serve your neighbors. They are your best friends, no matter what religion they are.
A person is not a believer if their stomach is filled with food while their neighbor is hungry.
If you believe in Allah and the day of judgment, be generous to what you give to your neighbors.
Anyone who believes in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and the day of judgment should not harm his neighbor. And anyone who believes in Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala and the day of judgment should give generously to their neighbor.
The best people of this world are good towards